This is our app called MyChat. Let's start by registering the user. So I'll click on register and type a username or a display name. I'll give it John and the email as john@gmail.com for a sample email. And I'll give a password. Right now I'm giving a weak password for demonstration purposes. And let's select a profile picture as well. So I'll select this pic and then I'll click on register. It takes a bit of time, and here we are at John's profile. And for this app to function, we actually need a different account. So I have another tab set up, and I've set up another account with the name of Jane. So let's log into Jane's account and let's begin the conversation. So here is Jane's account, and here we see that Jane has already talked to Johnny, which is another pre-existing user. So let's find Jane and let's click enter. And here we see that Jane has been searched up. The finding is actually based on direct username searching. So you enter the full username. Now that I've clicked Jane, you can see that John has also appeared in Jane's sidebar. And here John has messaged Jane, and you can see on the sidebar the messages have been updated. Now when you see the message that John's message is coming. Now let's type something from Jane's side. Let's say hello, and here you see that the real-time chat is working. Let's send an image. So let's say John wants to send this image. So we have clicked, and you see that these buttons, they have become a bit whitened and blurred to see that an image has been selected. To deselect the image, we again click these and click cancel, and the image has been deselected. So let's try sending this image of the sky, and I'll also include a caption with it. So let's say take a look at this, and I hit enter. And within a few moments, we see that the image has come up. Now let's try sending another image, or let's try sending an attachment. So while clicking the image option, you get option for images, and when you click the attachment option, you are able to select all files, and all of these files also include the images as well. So I'll select a sample PDF file, and I'll also include a caption. So I've written here is a PDF, and I hit enter, and you can see that here the sample PDF has come up. I click this link, John has received the PDF, and we load this and we get a sample file, and this PDF is completely downloadable. So getting back to a React app, let's demonstrate image compression. So let's have this large image. This image is 181 MBs in size, you can see, and we have implemented front-end image compression as well. So let's try sending this image. And the image sending takes a bit of the time, but since it is being compressed in the front end, but it actually relieves a lot of load on the server while sending heavy images, and also the server data doesn't fill up over time, and the images go really fast. Let's check this image. So I've opened this image in a new tab, and let's download this once. And here I download this image, and when you look at this file, it's only 897 kilobytes. So it's really light as an image. A 181 MB image has been compressed to less than 1 MB. So this is front-end image compression. We can also look at other chats as well, as the chat with Johnny. And Johnny has sent a docx file. Let's demonstrate profile editing. So here you see when I click on the John's profile, it actually lights up. So let's click on John's profile and let's change password for John. You can see the profile avatar and the email and the display name, they are coming up over here. I'll enter the old password and then I'll enter the new password, and then I confirm the new password, but I typed it wrong over here. And then when I click update profile, it says profile doesn't match. So for this time, let's enter the correct password, and we are reverted back to the home screen. This means that the password changing has been successful. So let's log out, and I'll log in again with the new password, and let's see if it logins again. And here we see that it has logged in with the new password. Now let's demonstrate profile image changing. So let's change the profile image for Jane. So let's say Jane wants to change her profile image to a new one. So I'll select a new profile image, click open, it shows profile image has been selected, and then I click update profile. and the old image actually appears because it has been saved in cache. But when I actually refresh this page, we can see that Jane can see her new profile. And when John refreshes the page, John will also be able to see Jane's new profile image. And this profile image appears in all the conversations and is updated in this way. Now there is one more feature that I'd like to demonstrate is the responsive UI that I have built. So we have built a responsive UI for this app, so you can expand and contract this app and it doesn't misbehave. And it is suitable for all screen sizes, including even the mobile and tablet screen sizes. So here you can see that I compress and contract the screen and it works very well. So now I'd like to transfer this app to my teammate Poornash for demonstration of video calling. So to start the video calling, we'll just have to click to this camcorder icon.
Here there are two members in this call. One is John and another is Jane. Here I'll be Jane, and I can share my video using this button, and my microphone audio using this button, and I can share it using this button. You can see there are two people in this call in two separate windows, and in this window I'm going to share my video. You can see this is my video here, and in this one also I'm going to share my video again. You can see there's a slight delay between these two videos. I have used WebRTC to share my videos between these two using Agora SDK, and this one is used for audio. You can see using this, you can share your audio using this, and this is used to share your screens. I can share the screen using this button. You have multiple options. You can use maybe you can select the windows and the screens from here. I'm going to share the entire screen. Hello, yeah, so you can see I'm sharing my screen here, and yeah, so I can see the screen which is being shared in this in the other users icon. We also have a real-time chat feature in this video call. Hi, how are you? This is sent by John. And hi again. So you can see the messages between Jane, like the two users, can be sent through this method. We can stop this screen sharing by again toggling this button. Now we can leave the call using this. Again, only my video is being shown here right now. Again, I can again join the call using this button. Yeah, so after attending the call, we can close this tab and go back to the React app.